Hello, good morning everyone. So I am Dr. Som Gupta. I am Director and Chief Physiotherapist, Physiocare Clinics. I am also heading the Department of Physiotherapy in Fortis Hospital, Ludhiana. I welcome you all in this program Wellbeing by PBN Music, in which we will be discussing about some health related issues. Today's topic for this health problem is we are going to discuss the current pandemic scenario, COVID-19. So in this COVID-19 scenario, you have got so many suggestions from experts of various field and medical specialties, because we have seen in last 6 months that this problem is keep on increasing day by day. So until unless we got some medications for treating this particular problem, so prevention is the only medicine at the moment. So to aware public on this problem, medical specialists from different specialties are continuously working hard and presenting videos to the public, so that public can get aware how to take all precautions and what best measures they can take to avoid this particular problem. So as we all know, in this COVID-19 problem, the main part which get affected is the chest. Patient feel breathlessness and there is difficulty in breathing. This is one of the major, one of the common symptom that we are facing in COVID-19 patients. One has to work hard to take good care of his chest, because nowadays we are using a lot of mask and we are walking with mask, we are jogging, running, whatever we are doing with the help of mask. So there is decreased oxygen carrying capacity of the lungs day by day. So to increase the lung capacity of the lungs, so I am going to tell you some basic exercises how you can increase the lung capacity of your lungs. So here you can see in the video. Firstly, I will tell you the chest is basically expands in two directions. One is vertical direction, that up and down, and then side to side. So if you want to increase your lung capacity, you have to work on both aspects. In first video, you can see the patient is taking deep breath and lifting his arms up, and while exhaling, while expiration, he is stooping down to assist the expiration. This way the capacity increases in vertical direction. In second video, you can see the patient is expanding his chest in horizontal direction. Again, patient is taking deep breath in, hold for some few seconds, and then he is doing expiration with assistance. In third exercise, like patient is using the towel to assist his respiratory muscles. This way we can strengthen our respiratory muscle. Patient is taking deep breathing inside by releasing the towel, and now patient is pulling the towel and assisting the expiration procedure. So this is the basic exercise in which you can increase the lung capacity, and side by side you can strengthen the respiratory muscles. Secondly, whenever you got any kind of respiratory problems, your posture is also got affected. So to take care of your posture, you should work on your neck, your shoulder and your upper back. So the range of motion of all joint should be up to the mark, and for this you can see the second video in which the patient is doing retractions. He is doing broad chest, keeping their scapulas squeezed, and again with deep breathing obviously. In second video, patient is doing elevations, and by doing this thing he is maintaining the range of motion as well as strength of his collar muscles. And in second thing, now the simple range of motion exercise for the neck joint. So neck, in this he is moving neck in and around, doing the strengthening of neck exercises. Here doing neck exercises, shoulder exercises, upper back and deep breathing exercise. It will help us to increase our vital capacity of the lungs. The patient can breathe more deeply, he can tolerate the muscles will be able to work in most worst scenarios also. So everybody should practice these deep breathing exercises for the prevention of any chest complications. This is all for today. You can, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. So we will try to give answers in our next video. Thank you.